Lena, come here.
This is chocolate for the Easter thing. Those are chocolate eggs.
Oh my goodness.
And
Sit down, Lena.
more chocolate eggs.
Wow.
And nothing else. Yep.
You guys got cards and chocolate eggs.
I got stickers. There's stickers.
Oh.
Also a card, Lena. There's also a card.
Lena, do you know who sent you that card?
What?
Grandpa Jim.
I want these. We want these.
Maybe one tonight before bed, okay?
Yay!
All right. Hold on. All right. Okay, crazy girl. Now listen to mommy a minute. Listen to mommy a minute. Step back and listen to mommy. Lena, can you stand by Jesse? What do you guys tell Grandpa Jim?
Thank you.
Aw.